Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 2 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to press and hold the lower button to open the menu. So press and hold it, and once the menu appears on the screen, scroll down, find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system. Once you find it, tap on it to enter, and here you should see the option called the language. Once you see it, tap on it. Now you should see the list of languages. You can scroll through it, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find the language, you can tap on it and the language should be applied after a couple of seconds. So if you open the menu again, the language should be changed. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.